Hey everyone, welcome back. If you tap the OKX Wallet app and it crashes instantly, freezes on a white or a black screen, or simply refuses to launch at all, here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. No login needed. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and find the Wallet app, and then swipe it away to completely close it. Then go ahead and press and hold on the OKX Wallet app, and then tap remove app, delete app, then delete the app to completely uninstall it. Go to your app store, search for the app, and then reinstall it fresh. Corrupted cache data from a failed update is the most common reason OKX Wallet crashes before it even opens. A clean reinstall clears all of that immediately. After reinstalling, if it still crashes, go to your settings app, then scroll down to general, then go to VPN and device management and make sure that no VPN is active. OKX Wallet blocks many VPN connections and can crash on detection. Also, in the settings itself, go back to general, then go to software update and install any available iOS update. OKX Wallet regularly pushes compatibility patches after major iOS release. So all you've got to do is delete the app, reinstall from App Store, turn off VPN in settings, update the iOS, then the app will open and that's it. Subscribe for more OKX Wallet fixes every day.